like that. It's what it's supposed to do. Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, and I want to know, do you have these? Because they're awesome, but they only last about a year if you don't do this. I'm going to share with you how to save 15 bucks because that's what they cost. And when the trigger sticks and you think it's junk and you can't get it to release, watch this video. I'll take you on the path to a $15 savings every year you do this, and it'll work like a charm. Hey guys and gals, Mr. Know-It-All here, your online cheapskate. Just kidding. I have to tell you that I do not like buying things over and over and over again. These Miracle-Gro sprayers work really, really good. But the problem is they get to a point where the trigger does not shut it off. And you have to try to flick the trigger, flick the trigger, flick the trigger to try to get it to shut off, and it won't. I'm going to share with you how to fix it. Hoolio, tell everybody where all the tools are located. Thank you, Hoolio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. Here is the culprit. The culprit is this plunger. This is where your hose connects, and this is the plunger, and it gets all bound up. So this is all you have to do. And you can tell that it is because you can't push this in with your finger. You have to push it down on a table. So if I do this, I can get that plunger to come up, if you can see that. And it's really hard. It shouldn't be that hard at all. Probably the shortest video we will ever do. I know if you have one of these, they are a pain in the butt when the trigger does not return like that. It's what it's supposed to do. All you have to do is take this cap off with that screw out. It'll look like this. You take your Planet Safe and you spray down inside here. Let it sit upright while you start to move this. And you can see how bad it was getting, where the plunger was not going up and down. It started to crack because that's where the plunger inside, and I'll show you that in the video here, what it looks like. It was starting to crack it. But now, I mean, you couldn't even push that in. Now it's going to work. It's supposed to spring back, otherwise it doesn't shut off. That's all you got to do. A few shots of Planet Safe in there, and you're good to go. Hope this helps you save a bunch of money instead of buying these, because they do work good, but they need a little maintenance. And as we always say, don't be a schmuckle, because if you do, you'll never have any friends. Mr. Know-It-All, out.